So shall we start?
Yes. Yeah, ma'am, we can start.
Okay. So hello students, good morning. This is Dr. Garima Agarwal from Manipal University, Jaipur. Today we'll discuss the remaining part of integration. But before that, let me go through once again the previous slides which we have discussed in the previous lecture. So in previous lecture we have discussed this integration, which is opposite to differentiation. These are few formulas for integration that we need to recall. These are few rules, that is constant function rule and sum and difference rule for integration. Now we have discussed few examples. These are few trigonometric functions that can be used in the integration, right? These integrations, these examples we have already discussed in the previous lecture. This is the formula known as integration by parts. This is ILAT, that is inverse, log, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential term. Whenever we need to integrate two terms or two functions like x square sin x, so x square can be considered as algebraic term and sin x is trigonometric term. So this order of these functions can be decided by this sequence, that is inverse, log, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. Then the formula is first term as it is, integration of second term minus integration, differentiation of first term and integration of second term. This is the formula of integration by parts. These are few examples based on integration. Then we have discussed few standard form of integration, that is Lx plus m upon ax square plus bx plus c. First of all, we need to rewrite this term in this manner. Then we need to find the values of a and b. Then we split and integrate the function. These are the examples. The second standard form which we have discussed is 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. We split this form into x square plus a square or x square minus a square form, and then we integrate it. Example, the another form that we have discussed. So basically these three forms we have discussed in the previous lecture. Now let's start with the one more form of integration, that is 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. Right, again we need to rewrite this term in the form of root a square plus x square or root a square minus x square or x square minus a square form, and then we integrate. For example, if the function is in that form, then we can integrate it by first of all reducing this denominator 3x square plus x minus 2 into this form, that is x square minus a square form, right? The whole term, this whole term is known as x square and the 5 by 6 is known as a square form. Then the formula of 1 upon root x square minus a square is log x plus root x square minus a square. This is the formula of integration for this kind of term, and c is any constant. So here x is x plus 1 by 6 and a is 5 by 6. So x plus root x square minus a square plus c. And then we just simplify this term by solving this whole square and then add and subtract these terms. Then the next standard form is Lx plus m root ax square plus bx plus c. So how we can solve that kind of term? First of all, we need to rewrite this given equation in that form. Sorry. Then we need to find the value of a and b. Then we split the function and integrate it. Our function is in that form. How we can integrate it? First of all, we rewrite this term uh, in this form. We rewrite this the given equation into this form, right? Then we find the values of a and b. How we can find the value of a and b? First of all, we differentiate this step. Differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of x is 1, and differentiation of 1 is 0. Rest terms will remain unchanged, right? Then we compare the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is 3 and here the coefficient of x is 2a. So 3 is equals to 2a. Then minus 2 is constant and a plus b is constant. So minus 2 is equals to a plus b. Now by solving these two steps, we can find the value of a and b. Right? Then we substitute the values of a and b in this form. The value of a is 3 by 2, 2x plus 1 minus 7 by 2 and root x square plus x plus 1 dx. Then we simplify this step. First of all, we multiply this root term with each and individual term, right? Let me explain over there the integration of this step, right? So x square plus x plus 1 is the differentiation of x square plus x plus 1 is 2x plus 1. So this is the differentiation of this step, right? So we can write it as x square plus x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 because of this root, and this step can be written as differentiation of x square plus x plus 1, right? Then minus 7 by 2, and this whole is this term x square plus x plus 1 can be split in this form, right? Then 3 by 2, this step, let me explain. Integration of x dx can be written as x square by 2, right? So integration of x square plus x plus 1 whole power half dx square plus x plus 1. Here what we are doing, different integration of x with respect to x. Here what we are doing, integration of x square plus x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 with respect to x square plus x plus 1, right? Here both the terms are x and here both the terms are x square plus x plus 1. So it is x square plus x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1, right? This is the formula of x raised to n, integration of x raised to n. So this is the formula. So 1 by 2 plus 1 will be 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. This whole step, integration of this whole step is completed now. Now minus 7 by 2, minus 7 by 2. Now integration of x square plus a square. This is the formula for integration of x square plus a square, right? And after simplification, after adding plus c, we get the required result, right? Let me write here the formula of integration of x square. Integration of x square plus a square is 1 by 2 x root x square plus a square plus root plus a by 2 log x plus root x square plus a square. This is the formula. So here x square is x plus half whole square, a square is a square is 3 by 4. So we just substitute all the values in this formula and we get this required result, right? The another form is root a x square plus bx plus c. We rewrite this form into root a square minus x square, or root a square plus x square, or root x square minus a square. This is the standard form. We just took 2 common from this root. Then we split this term. Then we actually reduce this term into x square minus a square form. How we can reduce it? This step, let me rewrite here, 1 by 2 plus x by 2 minus x square, right? So how we can split it? We can write it as 1 by 2 plus, we need to write the whole square term now, right? So we can write it as minus x square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 16 and minus 1 by 16, right? And it will convert into 1 by 16, this 1 by 16 minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square, and this power 1 by 2 will be there, right? This 1 by 2 and 1 by 16 will convert into 9 by 16, and this 9 by 16 will convert into 3 by 4 whole square. And then we use again the formula of root a square minus x square. This is the formula of root a square minus x square. All these formulas are mentioned in the starting slide, where we have write all the formulas in a tabular form, right? This formula is mentioned over there also. Now integration by partial fraction. Before moving towards this topic, let me take your questions first. If you guys have any query, you can ask. Please raise your hand if you have any problem or any query. Yes, Swaru, please unmute yourself and you can ask your question. Swaru, please unmute yourself and you can ask your question. Swaru, you want to ask something? Okay, so in that case, I would like to move forward for this topic, partial fraction. So how partial fraction works? First of all, when we can use partial fraction. First of all, we need to understand this. When we can use partial fraction, when the degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. Degree means in the numerator, like in this example, in the numerator the power of x is 0. 1 can be written as x raised to 0, and in the denominator the power of x is 2, right? When we multiply both the factors, we'll get the maximum power of x is 2. that is x square plus 3x plus 2, right? So degree of denominator is 2 and degree of numerator is 1. So degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. So in that case only we can use partial fraction. If our term is like that, x square plus 2x plus x square plus 5x plus 6, in that case we cannot use partial fraction. In that case we need to first divide both the terms, and then on the remainder term only we can use the partial fraction, right? So when the degree of denominator is greater than degree of numerator, then only we can use partial fraction. This is the first condition. Now what are the rules when, how we can split the denominator, how we can find, let me go. Let me take here few examples. Let's say our function is something like that, x plus 2 and x plus 1, which is given over there. So first of all we split this equation by a upon x plus 2 and b upon x plus 1. Then we'll find the value of a and b, then we'll substitute the value of a and b, and then we integrate. How we can find the value of a and b, that we'll discuss in the next slide. First of all, how we can split the given factors through partial fraction, that we are discussing over there. So in the first step, the maximum power of this bracket is 1, and the maximum power of this x is also 1. That's why we are using simply a and b. Let's say we have a term x plus 2 whole square and x plus 1. That means the power of x plus 2 is 2. So we need to write it as a upon x plus 2, b upon x plus 2, c upon x plus 1. Sorry, a upon x plus 2, b upon x plus 2 whole square, and c upon x plus 1, right? Or you can write this step as c upon x plus 1, a upon x plus 1, b upon x plus 2, c upon x plus 2 whole square. Like in this step I took a with x plus 2, but in this step I took a with x plus 1. This is not a big deal, right? Because a, b, c are constants, ultimately we will get the values of a, b, c, right? So let's say if we have a term like, okay, one more thing, if it is x plus 2 whole cube times x plus 1, then it will be a upon x plus 2, b upon x plus 2 square, c upon x plus 2 cube, and d upon x plus 1. Right? Now if it is whole power 4, then we'll get one more term, that is e upon x plus 2 whole power 4, right? Now if we have a term like 1 upon x square plus 2, let's say x square plus 2 and x plus 1. Now here the power of x is 2, so we'll take ax plus b upon x square plus 2. Here this term is, the whole power is 1 and the power of x is also 1, so in that case it will be c upon x plus 1, right? So these are few rules how we can split the given factors. Is it clear? Let me take your questions on partial fraction. Yes, Avinash.
Hello. Yeah,
Yes.
ma'am. I have a question. How a quadratic equation convert into a square form?
How quadratic equation can convert into this partial fraction form?
No, ma'am, a square form. Suppose there is a question x square plus x plus 1. How I convert into a square form?
What you said, x square plus
X plus 1. Yeah, any equation, how I convert
any
into a
quad.
square form? Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
how we convert it into square form, right? This
Yeah,
is your
yeah,
question? Fine.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, no issue. So how we can uh, this equation cannot be converted into, let me check, just give me a minute. X square plus x plus 1.
Any equation, I mean, any equation, not this equation. Any equation, how I convert?
Yeah, like in this question we convert it in the whole square form, right? That
Yeah,
I have
yeah, ma'am.
explained over there.
Yeah, how I convert?
That I have already explained now. Have you missed this one? Do I need to explain it again?
Yeah, ma'am, I missed that.
Okay. So this is your form now, 1 by 2 plus x by 2 minus x square, right? So if I convert it in the quadratic form, let's write this form as x square minus x by 2 if I take minus common, right? Am I clear?
Yeah, yeah.
So our standard quadratic form is x square plus ax square plus bx plus c, right? That means we need a constant over there, right? So I just add and subtract 1 by 16. I just add 1 by 16 over there, plus 1 by 16 and minus 1 by 16. That we can do, right? Yes, we can add or subtract any term, right? Now how it will convert? 1 by 2 minus, it will be x square minus 2x 2 times 2. I just multiply and divide it by 2, right? Plus 1 by 4 whole square. And this minus 1 by 16 and this minus will come out, that is 1 by 16. Is that okay?
Okay.
Right? Then how we can write it further? That is 1 by 2 minus x square minus 2 times 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4 whole square plus 1 by 16. Is that okay? Now this is x square minus 2ax plus a square, right? This is the expansion. X minus a whole square is x square minus 2ax plus a square. So in our question, a is 1 by 4, right? So we can write it as 1 by 2 minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus 1 by 16, right? So x by 2 plus 1 by 16 minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square. This is the step, right? So basically in the question you need to identify what will be the value of a, and then you need to add and subtract a square. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Swaroop, you want to ask something? Any factor, this is important. Then we need to find the values of all these constant a, b, c, d, whatever we have, right? Then we will put the values of constant and then we integrate, right? This is this step. Now let's discuss one example on based on partial fraction. Okay, one more thing, the numerator is not at all relevant to this factor, right? We need to concentrate on denominator only while writing in that form. So first of all, we need to integrate this term 7x minus 6 upon x minus 1 times x minus 2. Now here in the denominator the power of x is 1 and the whole power is 1. In the second factor the power of x is 1 and the whole power is also 1. So we can write this step simply by a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 2. That means 7x minus 6 upon x minus 1, x minus 2 can be written as a upon x minus 1 and b upon x minus 2. Then we'll take the LCM on the right hand side. A will multiply by x minus 2 and b will multiply by x minus 1, right? In that step we can cancel the denominator. That means 7x minus 6 will be equals to ax minus 2a plus bx minus b. Now the coefficient of x is a plus b and minus 2a minus b. That means here the coefficient of x is 7 and here the coefficient of x is a plus b. That means a plus b is 7. And here the constant is 2a plus b with negative sign, and here the constant is minus 6. So minus sign will cancel out and we'll write it as 6 only. Now solving these two equations we can find the value of a and b. That is a equals to minus 1 and b equals to 8. Then we'll substitute the value of a and b over there. That means 7x minus 6 upon x minus 1, x minus 2 is equals to, the value of a is minus 1 and the value of b is 8. Right? Then we integrate both these sides with respect to dx. So integration of this term is equals to integration of both these terms, right? So we'll solve the right hand side and get the integration. So integration of 1 upon x minus 1 is log 1 minus x and integration of this term is log x minus 2 plus c. Right? So this is the integration of left hand side. Now we have a definite integral. What is definite integral? If we integrate under the limit, then it is known as definite integral. Integration will remain same, but after integration we'll apply the limit, that is upper limit minus lower limit. Let's say we need to find the integration of let me take a simple example, x square under the limit 0 to 1 dx. So integration of x square is x cubed by 3. Then we'll write limit in that form in the right hand side, right? Then we'll apply the upper limit first of all, that is 1 cube minus 3 minus lower limit, that is 0 cube minus 3. Upper limit, first we'll apply upper limit, then lower limit, that is 1 by 3, this term will 0. Now there is no need to add constant because this is the definite integral, right? For example, if we need to find the integration, so the process of integration is as usual. We'll integrate it by the usual manner, right? First of all, we convert it into this form. Okay, let's discuss how we can convert this form 1 plus x minus x square, or we can write it as minus x square minus x plus 1, right? If we write it as x minus 1 whole square, there will be 2, right? So what we need to do will, what we need to do, we'll split this form is like, if we solve this whole square, what we'll get? X square plus 1 by 4 minus x, right? That means we need to add and subtract this minus this 1 by 4. So minus x square minus x plus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4, and this plus 1, and because of this minus it will be minus 1. So minus x square minus x plus 1 by 4 minus minus plus 1 by 4 and plus minus 1. Now minus this whole term will convert into x minus 1 by 2 whole square, and after simplifying this 1 by 4 minus 1, it will be plus 1 by 4, that should be minus now. Now it will be plus, so 5 by 4, or we can write it as x minus 1 by 2 square and root 5 by 2 square. So in that manner we can convert this whole square, right? Now integration of a square minus x square, we can write the integration in that form. Then we'll apply the upper limit and lower limit. This is the definite integral. Now there is no need to apply the constant over there, right? They are applying the constant, but before using the limits. Once they apply the limit, definitely this constant will cancel out, so there is no need to add any constant, right? This is the concept of definite integral. Okay, so till now, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Please raise your hand if you if you have any doubt. Okay, now in my assignment, I gave 2 questions on set theory, and so many confusion was there. Although we have uploaded the correct file, then also students are having so much confusion. So I decided to discuss both the questions based on set theory in today's lecture. Will provide this lecture recording to you as well, so that you can go through if required, right? So the first A question is, out of 30 students in the 15 takes an art course, 8 takes a biology course, 6 takes the chemistry. it is known that 3 students take all the 3 courses. Show that 7 or more students take none of the course, right? So we represent A, the set of students taking art course, B, the set of students taking biology course, and C, the set of students taking chemistry course, right? Now 15 students take arts, that means cardinality of A is 15. 8 students take biology, that means cardinality of B is 8, and 6 takes chemistry, that means cardinality of C is 6. 3 students take all the courses, right? That means they take A course, they take B course, and they take C course also. So these are the 3 students. That means intersection of A, B, C is 3. Show that 7 or more students take none of the course. We need to prove that 7 students take none of the course, right? So this is the formula known as principle of inclusion and exclusion, that is cardinality of A union B union C is cardinality of A plus cardinality of B plus cardinality of C minus cardinality of A intersection B minus cardinality of B intersection C minus cardinality of C intersection A plus cardinality of A intersection B intersection C. This is the correct formula, right? Now we have cardinality of A, that is 15, cardinality of B, cardinality of C, right? Then minus A intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection, and cardinality of A intersection B intersection C is 3. After simplification, these 4 terms we get 32 and rest terms will remain unchanged, right? Then the cardinality of A intersection B, definitely it is greater than cardinality of A intersection B intersection C. Similarly, B intersection C is also greater than this term, and C intersection A is greater than this term, right? Now if we add these 3 terms, first term, second term, and third term, the left hand side will be cardinality of A intersection B, B intersection C, and C intersection A is greater than equals to 3 times cardinality of A intersection B intersection C, right? Now if we substitute this value over there, it will be 32 minus 3 A intersection B intersection C, right? And this equal sign will convert into greater than equals to sign, right? Now A intersection B intersection C is 3. So the value of this term will be 3. Right? So A union B union C is greater than or equals to 23. That means the number of students taking at least one course is greater than equals to 23. And total number of students is 30. So the number of students taking none of the course means 30 minus 23, that is 7. This is the first part of first question, right? Now in the second question, in the second part of this question, this is first B, we need to verify that A union B union C is equals to this term, where the value of A, B and C, the set A, B, C is already defined. So we can easily find the value of A union B union C, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. This is A union B union C. Similarly, intersection is the common value, that is 3, 4, 3, 4 and 3, 4, right? Then A intersection B, the common value of A and B, that is 2, 3, 4. B intersection C, 3, 4, 6, C intersection A, 3, 4. We just substitute all the values in this formula and we'll get the answer. As simple as that. One more thing, that should be A union B union C. Right? Now I think the problem is resolved regarding this question. I have discussed both the question based on set theory, which I have given in the assignment. Still, if you guys have any problem, please let me know right now. Yes, Sudhir. Please unmute yourself so that you can ask the question.
Madam, I have submitted all my assignments last week, so I don't hope you are not going to change the assignment.
But I have already discussed this particular question in my last lecture as well. This is this time I am repeating the question. Okay.
So the last date for submission was 31st actually, which got changed yesterday. But and assuming that actually it was 31st, I went ahead and submit. So again, actually, if I need to rework on my assignment, right? If you are going to change the assignment, it's going to be a problem.
No, I'm not going to change the assignment. Assignment is as it is. I'm just discussing the questions which is in the assignment because students are facing so much problem in these two particular questions.
Thank you, ma'am.
Assignment is not at all changed. I'm just discussing the questions.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for the clarification.
Thank you. Yes, Shekhar, Mr. Shekhar, you want to ask something?
Yeah, hi, ma'am. Good morning.
Hi.
So actually, if you see that question, whichever you share in the PDF, that is a quite different, and whichever you are showing that is a different. Actually, we solved that 7, which is given as solution. Can you see that question which you given the and whatever assignments you given?
What I need to check? The question?
The question, whichever you given the PDF, the assignment. So it is a different, and whichever you are showing the now it is different. So we solve the whatever you just now you showed right in the PPT. So we solve that solution. So we are also
Okay,
further
fine.
same answer.
Let me open this assignment file. I'm
Okay.
just opening this Word file which I have shared with you, right? If there is any confusion, please let me know again. Let me share my screen once again. Yeah, this is the question that we have shared with you, right?
But minute. No, there is no minus after the A intersection B, which is the which I have currently.
Sorry?
And the question, the B is right. After
In which
mod A, mod
question
B
you are
plus
facing problem?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
In
B
which question you are facing B, 1B,
1B,
right?
1.
Where you
Yeah,
are facing problem?
yeah. I will tell you. I will tell you. The question is in this assignment page is mod A plus mod B plus mod C minus within bracket and one mod came A intersection B. After that there is no sign plus or minus. After that there is a mod again B intersection C. Post that C intersection A plus A intersection B intersection C. So there is a minus mismatch. So that's why I call 2 days back to the
Yes.
stream.
Okay, fine. So let me explain. The first assignment that we have uploaded on the website, there was that kind of mistake, like this minus sign is missing, I guess, right? But
Okay.
later on, when you guys discussed it, we upload the correct file. After doing this correction, we have already uploaded this correct file on the website. If you now go to the website and download the file, you will get this correct question.
I think latest also same. Well, let me check now. Give me a minute.
No, I guess we have already uploaded the correct file as per my information.
1 minute. I'm
Yeah,
checking.
sure. Take your time. No issue. Meanwhile, any other student who are facing any problem, please let me know. Yes, Raju Prasad. Yes, Mr. Raju. Please unmute yourself if you want to ask something.
Yeah, ma'am, actually the method which you explain here in the first question,
Hmm.
in the this 30 students in dormitory, actually we have done in certain different way, but the result is showing the same.
Yeah, that's all up to you. Like in mathematics, there is no particular way to solve any question. I hope you can understand that, right?
Okay, okay,
Yeah. So
okay,
you can use the another method as well, but that should be justified.
okay, okay.
Vipul. Okay, fine. Yes, Vipul.
Ma'am, actually, I have asked so many questions previously, like how can we do a practice? We need to practice from the pen and paper, or do we need to, there is any software? So
Look,
for
Vipul,
practicing,
mathematics is not something like novel, right? You cannot read it like a novel. I hope you can understand. You always need to practice it on pen or paper. Although this is the century of online mode, we can say, but still the basic concept will remain unchanged. Always mathematics you need to practice through pen or paper. This is the only method to practice, right?
all right. But how can we, like, for
The
the
second
assignment?
part, yes, the second part, how from where you can get the questions. You have a PDF, the SLM part, right?
Right.
In SLM, so many questions, the solved and as well as unsolved questions are there. You can solve these questions. In this similar manner, some reference books is also given in your syllabus. So you can buy these books if you want to practice more. You can buy these books, and also you can get the questions through Google. Google uncle knows everything. So
Okay.
questions are also available on Google.
But ma'am, in the assignment, we have to use pen and paper and like click a photo and
No, in
submit it.
no. In assignment, you need to write your assignment on Word file. One day, I have already explained how you can write the mathematical symbols, if I'm not wrong.
No, ma'am, we haven't seen this kind of video.
Okay,
Two weeks.
no, I have explained how you can write the mathematical symbols, but today only I'll discuss it again. First, let me
Please, ma'am.
complete this questionnaire sessions.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'll explain how you can write mathematical symbols on Word file.
Because many students are facing the same problem.
Yeah, no issue. I'll explain it again just
Thank you so
after
much.
this questionnaire. Yeah, thank you.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. I downloaded the latest one, so but it is 1 minute. Can you open the which you shown just on that
Yes.
solution
Sure.
in PPT? No, ma'am. It's not yet updated. There is no minus. Only I have that. I will tell you what's updated. No, ma'am. It's not yet updated.
Okay,
I
fine.
have the.
So in that case, actually this part is not handled by me. The file uploading and downloading part is not at all uploaded by me. The guy told me that he has uploaded the uploaded file. But okay, fine. Um, you please take the screenshot of this question through your mobile or through your laptop, whatever gadget you are using. It's a request, it's a humble request to all the students. Please take the screenshot of this question. This is the correct question, right? And I'll upload the correct file for sure today only. I'll make sure myself that the correct file will be uploaded on the website.
And ma'am, what about those students who have submitted their assignments?
Okay, fine. Let me. Yes, so those students who have already uploaded the assignment, they can re-upload their assignment, the correct assignment. The option of re-uploading is there. please visit the website, explore the website. You will get the re-upload option, right? Yes, now the next one is Sudeep.
Ma'am, sorry. I have one question in mind.
Yeah, please tell me.
So, what is the extension date for this assignment submission?
Mm, that you will get through mail. You will get the notification through mail.
Okay.
Yeah. So can I take the next one?
Ma'am, there is one more question. Do we need to mention our name and the roll number in the assignment or not?
Yeah, of course. Otherwise, how I can identify whose assignment is this?
But there is no mention any document like you need to mention your name and the roll number.
In the Word document, you can write your name and roll number in the right hand side somewhere, na?
But it is not mentioned in anywhere in the documents.
Okay, fine. Then save your file with your name only.
Ma'am, I have already submitted my assignment. That's why I'm asking, because it's not written anywhere. You need to mention your name and the roll number.
You can save your file, the Word file, through your name, by your name, right? You can save the file by your name, na? Like your name is Vipul Gupta, so you can save your file by Vipul Gupta underscore assignment one underscore the subject names, like that, right?
I think I need to resubmit it. Okay.
You can resubmit it, or else I'll manage it. Don't worry.
All right. Thank you.
So the next one is Sudeep. Raju, you want to ask something?
No, ma'am, I have submitted my assignment in PDF format after converting Word file.
I don't have any problem with that regard. Yes, Sudeep, you want to ask something? Please unmute yourself.
Yeah. Hi, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah. Regarding the question 1B only.
Mm-hmm.
So, this question that is given for assignment, one is that the sign is not present that you have discussed already. Another thing is that the cardinality sign is not appearing. Is that has to be there?
Here in A intersection B.
Yeah. The horizontal bars are not appearing, right? I'm not sure. Just asking.
But it doesn't make any difference. If I write here the cardinality of A intersection B, then also actually we are using cardinality only. Cardinality is what? The number of elements in the set, right? Cardinality
Yeah.
of A means what? The number of elements in the set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. We are using
Yeah.
cardinality of A, that is 5. So cardinality of A intersection B, we are using actually cardinality of A intersection B, that is what is that? 3. In A intersection B, we have 3 number of elements, 2, 3 and 4. That is 3 elements, right? So we are using here 3 only, right? So
Okay.
both the terms are correct. Whether you can use it in that form or you can use this cardinality uh, also. Both the terms are same.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, Sudeep. Next is Bijan. Yes, Vision, you want to ask something?
Ma'am, actually, I want to know. I submit my assessment through pen and paper and make it a PDF. So that can be entered to your
This time,
accountability.
I'll accommodate it, but from the next time you need to write your assignment in the Word file and submit it either Word file or PDF,
Okay,
right?
okay.
This
This
is
time,
the first time that because the basic problem is sometimes I'm not able to understand your handwriting, right?
yes, yeah,
That's
yeah.
why I prefer the Word or PDF file, right?
Okay,
So
okay,
this is the first time, so I'll accommodate this first assignment, but later on you need to submit it in the Word file.
okay, okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
Next one is Pawan. Yes, Mr. Pawan, you want to ask something? I guess Pawan is not there. Ujjwal, Mr. Ujjwal. You want to ask something, Mr. Ujjwal?
Good morning, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am. Just few minutes ago, you told us that we can re-upload our assignment, but I have
Yes.
browsed through the website right away, but I didn't get any option to re-upload the assignment.
But the option is there.
Ma'am, actually, if you press if Ujjwal press the submit button again, he can upload the document again. It's just a matter of pressing the submit button.
Okay, fine, Ujjwal. Thank you, Sudeep.
Sudeep,
Ujjwal,
I do not have any submit button over here. What I look is I have the submitted assignment, and I get a one file as submitted. That's it. When
So
I
just
click over
actually,
there,
what you can do is you can go to the assignments. Sorry, announcement. You can actually see the announcement for submission of assignment.
okay.
Click on that, and you can actually start. It looks like you are starting the procedure all over again. But
So I did that. Yes, I went over there.
It works for me at least. Yeah.
See, I had already submitted the file earlier. So I only get the table where there is an assignment and completion status, then score, then evaluation, and that's it. I don't get an uploading option now after submitting that assignment. So there's no option for re-uploading or adding another file as
Which
well.
actually at least it worked for me. So that this is what I haven't submitted again, but I could see that you can actually follow the same procedure. Go to the announcements, pick the link for the
okay,
assignment.
Sudhir, sorry to interrupt. I just make you the presenter. Can you please present your screen and explain it to Ujjwal and to all other students?
Yes, please.
Is it possible for you, Sudhir? It's a humble request from my side.
Oh, sorry, I was speaking with a mute on, so I'm just going to try that.
Yeah, please share your screen and explain whatever you are saying, so that other students can also come to know.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
So let me. Okay. So I'm clicking the announcement. I'm picking. So there is an option to overwrite. Can you see that overwrite?
Yes, Sudhir.
Yeah, just click on the overwrite, and it procedure as simple as your first submission.
Okay.
Go to the announcement.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Thank you, Sudeep.
You're most welcome.
Thank you, Sudhir. Thank you, Ujjwal.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So, Mr. Bijan, you want to ask something? Oh, sorry. Yes, Mr. Bijan. Pawan, you want to ask something? And Sudeep also.
Ma'am, I want to know how the mathematical symbol are used in Microsoft Office.
Yeah, I'll explain it after this questionnaire session that I have already told you.
Okay.
Yes, Sudeep, Pawan, and Ujjwal. Anything else you want to ask?
No, ma'am, nothing from my side. Thank you.
Okay. Done. I guess all the questions has been taken by me. One more student raised the hand. No? Fine. Now I just open this Word file. Let me explain how we can, use all the mathematical symbols, right? This is a simple Word file. You need to go in this Insert tab.
Ma'am, your screen is not shared.
Okay, I'm sorry. Now it shared now?
Yes, we can see.
Yeah. So just open any Word document, go to this Insert tab, right? This down arrow equations, more equations, or insert new equation, right? What I have did, insert tab, then more equations. Now this dialog will appear over there. Then what you want to type, like if you want to type let's say x upon y, so here from there you can take this term, these terms you can take. So this is x by y, right? Or let's say if you want to type dx upon dy, right? Again, if you want to write something like x raised to 5, from this step. If you want to write something root or cubic root like that, you can use these terms. If you want to write integration, you can use this tab. This one is for again I'll take this next new one, insert equation, insert new equation, then integration, then this integration, let's say the lower limit is 0, the upper limit is 1, and then let's say I need to write let's say x square plus root x. Let's say I just want to type like that. Then if I need to write something like sine theta, or you can directly write sine sin through your keyboard. Theta you can take from there. This one is theta, right? Insert equation, insert new equation. Please explore all these steps. If you want to write something like that, limit is there, logarithmic functions, limit, minima, maxima, right? These are the operators. Matrix, in the coming lecture we may discuss matrices. So these are the options to write matrix. How we can use matrix? Basically for matrix we use the square bracket, right? So first of all we write the square bracket through our keyboard. And then we'll take this. If you want to write that kind of matrix, you can write it over there, right?
Ma'am, sorry.
Yes.
If you don't want to that, for example, there is a boxes, right? So where we can insert the value, uh, whichever you have already pasted in the Word.
I'm not getting what you said.
Wherever we have currently cursor, so we have the boxes, right? Small
Yeah,
boxes,
this
kind
one.
of. So the left side, yeah, those small
Okay.
boxes. Yeah, there
Huh.
will insert the values, right? But for few cases, whatever for negation p q, so it is coming as default. So can I remove that box, or it's not getting removed?
No, I'm not able to understand what you want to do. You want to remove this box,
Correct.
but you cannot remove this box because it is a 2 cross 3 matrix.
No, not only there, maybe if you take the negation of p or something, for few cases I am getting the extra box. that whatever you shown that box.
Through space bar you can remove the extra box. Let's say I just want to write, let's say I want to write it in that manner only, right? And now I don't want this box, right? So just use this space bar. Go click on that particular box, click on that particular box and press the space bar. Please
Okay.
try on your laptop.
I'm trying, but it's giving extra space only, but no.
No, click on that box. First of all, click on that particular box. Like here, I clicked on that box. Are you able to
Yeah.
see my screen? Click on
Yeah,
that box.
it went. Yeah, it went. Thanks. I
Okay,
have it.
fine.
Thanks, man.
Okay, now if you want to, okay, now if you want to write some symbols like that, like plus, minus, infinity, equals to, not equals to, less than, greater than, less than, equals to. This one is for partial fraction, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, mu, pi, rho, all omega, all the options are there, and this down arrow. This one is for basic mathematics. Then Greek letters are also there. If you want to like gamma, delta, ohm, psi, all the symbols are there. Then letter like symbols, like if the function is related to real number, we can use this symbol, right? Then operators, these all are the operators. This is the sign of belongs to. When we write now, x is the element of real number, so this is the sign for element, right? Belongs to. Then arrows, for if you want to like write the limit, you can use this, for limit x tends to 0, something like that, if it is required. Then negation, scripts, and geometry.
Ma'am, in the second question, it is using V or something hat. So from that hat, we can use in the keyboard the number 6. It's mentioned over the number 6. We can use that one, or is there any symbol for that?
In which assignment? The first assignment?
Yes, set 1, second question. So you can see P, V, tilde, Q. So that's a V, or there is a symbol?
No, this is not V. This is this is the symbol. Where is my word file? Yeah. This symbol is there.
So we can use V, or we need to use this one?
No, you need to actually. This is the correct version, right? You need to use these symbols, right? You need to use these symbols. These are the correct options. These two or these two. You can use any one.
Because I have used the hat and the V signature for that, because I'm unable to find
Okay,
that.
fine. Okay, fine. If you have used this for this time, I'll consider it. But from the next time, you should
Yeah,
be.
because this is in the mathematics, there is so many confusion for this time. Please consider this time as
Yeah,
a
I'll
preparation.
consider it. I'll consider it if it is, uh, if I want to write something like A union B, right? But you write it as A U B.
Yeah.
This is also correct. I cannot say that it is not correct because you are just writing it, na? AU, if you use the capital U instead of union symbol, that is also correct. But I'm being a teacher, I need to share the correct form to you.
Sure. For
So
the
this
next
is
time, we
the
will like make a note for that. Otherwise, this time, this is the first time we are using this one. That's fine.
no issue there. This is the union symbol, right?
All right.
If you want to write A union B, you need to use this symbol. But if you write it as A capital U and B, that is also correct. Okay, fine.
In the
This one is
examination, ma'am, in the exam, we need to. How can we use this symbol, because it's not mentioned in the keyboard? So there is any other option in the exam or something like that?
No, it's not on the keyboard. You need to open the Word file and you go to this insert tab, go to this equation tab, and then use insert more equations. Then you'll get this box. Then you can type whatever you want to type. That's it.
Okay,
Because
so
exam is also in the online mode, na, if I'm not wrong.
yes, that's the reason we are confusing about it. So you will like
If exam is
Manipal is
also
given the another like us they provide a software to work on it, or we need to use a Word file or something like that.
actually, there is no particular software. We have one software known as LaTeX. Usually, we use this software LaTeX to write our research papers, because in the research papers we have so many symbols, and then their symbols should be correct. We cannot use capital U instead of union over there. Otherwise, journals reject the article, right? So that's why we are using this LaTeX software to write the mathematical terms. But here in this early stage of your career, I prefer Word file only. In Word file also, you can write all the mathematical symbols, X, Y, Z, all the mathematical symbols are available in this Word file also.
All right. So we need to use the Word file in the paper in the exam, right?
Yes, yes, yes. This is the easiest way, I guess. According to me, this is the easiest way. Don't make it much complicated. So all the symbols are there, right? If you want to write any mathematical symbol, alpha, beta, gamma, theta, delta, go through all these steps, explore all these steps, and then explore all these steps. You'll get each and every symbol over there.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your help.
Still, if you're facing any problem in while writing how we can write this form or that form, you can ask me in the our online class. I don't have.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you everyone. And thank you, ma'am. So now we are winding up our lecture today. Goodbye, everyone.